Hey guys, what's up? Demon Dog here today with a track review. This is a follow-up from Illuminati from the band DETHRONED. This one is called Spirit of Beelzebub, and let me tell you, it is awesome. We're starting the year right, and yeah, this one is an improvement to Illuminati. It's better. And they try some new, with choruses, say, I am the spirit of Beelzebub. And the way the guitar just, takes over the intro, it is phenomenal. And you can also understand the lyrics, Beelzebub, or fornication and all that. And, a funny thing, when you search this song, you also get, religious bullshit, like how to get the spirit of Beelzebub out of your soul and all that stuff. So yeah, it's really funny, and, in this track, you can really appreciate more of the vocalist Heisenberg lookalike. You can really appreciate his vocals, his growls, and yeah, really big love for the riffs, man. And yeah, it's one of those songs that if you're a death metal fan, like me, you're gonna be listening to it over and over and over. At work, I remember I always started, put on the earbuds, and I put on the Spirit of Beelzebub. Feels like it's a song that I heard years ago, and I still love it to this day. That's how it feels, even though it's a brand new song. Okay, guys. So yeah, those are my thoughts. What are yours? So I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Tell me what you guys think, and as always, keep it metal.